For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of dealing with frustrating haircuts at home? Do you struggle to get a clean cut every time? You're not alone. I was one of those people too until I discovered the Wahl Home Pro 100/N. But here's what surprised me. Most trimmers and clippers on the market are designed for professionals or have so many features that make them difficult to use for beginners. Therefore, they end up collecting dust in our cupboards while we're still searching for a solution to our hair problems. As it turns out, this is where the Wahl Home Pro 100 comes in. It's specifically designed for home users who want professional-looking results without the hassle or cost of going to a salon. Now I know what you might be thinking. Is this really worth trying? Well, let me tell you. But before we get into that, let's take a closer look at this product. The Wahl Home Pro 100 is equipped with advanced features such as self-sharpening blades and adjustable comb attachments for different hair lengths. This makes it easy to get the perfect cut every time, no matter what your hairstyle may be. Therefore, you can say goodbye to uneven cuts and hello to a more polished look. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it worth the investment? Well, let's break down the pros and cons of this product. On one hand, the Wahl Home Pro 100 offers professional quality results at home, making it perfect for those who want to save time and money. However, some users have reported issues with the battery life, specifically that it can drain quickly if not used properly. Therefore, it's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions to get the most out of this product. Mini promise rehook. Stay tuned as we explore more about this product, and I'll share a special tip on how to avoid any potential issues with battery life. As we continue, you might be wondering what makes the Wahl Home Pro 100 stand out from other trimmers and clippers on the market. Well, let me tell you, it's not just about having advanced features, it's also about the level of convenience it offers. With this product, you can say goodbye to tedious maintenance tasks like oiling or cleaning the blades. It does all that for you with its self-sharpening technology. Therefore, you'll have more time to focus on other things in your life and less stress when it comes to taking care of your hair. Now, let's take a look at some real-life results from users who have tried the Wahl Home Pro 100. But before we get into that, I want to reiterate something. This product is not just for men. Women can also use it to achieve salon-quality hairstyles without breaking the bank. Mini promise rehook. Keep an eye out as we explore more real-life results and testimonials from satisfied customers who have used this product. As you can see, the Wahl Home Pro 100 has been a game changer for many users. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into some of its features to understand what makes it so effective. One of the standout features is its adjustable comb attachments, which allow you to achieve precise cuts and styles without having to worry about unevenness or missing spots. Therefore, whether you're looking for a simple trim or a more dramatic style change, this product has got you covered. Mini promise rehook. In just a few minutes, I'll share with you some expert tips on how to use the Wahl Home Pro 100 effectively and get professional-looking results every time. Now that we've explored some of its key features, let's talk about the user experience. Many users have reported feeling confident in their ability to achieve salon-quality hairstyles after using the Wahl Home Pro 100. Therefore, it's safe to say that this product has exceeded expectations for many people. Mini promise rehook. Keep an eye out as we share some tips on how to avoid common mistakes when using this product and get the most out of its advanced features. As I mentioned earlier, one potential issue with this product is battery life. However, this can be easily avoided by following a few simple steps: charging it regularly, storing it properly, and avoiding extreme temperatures. Mini promise rehook. Don't worry if you've encountered any issues with the Wahl Home Pro 100. We'll cover some troubleshooting tips to help you get back on track. Now that we've addressed one of the potential drawbacks, let's talk about the overall value this product offers. Given its advanced features and convenience, it's clear that the Wahl Home Pro 100 is an investment worth making. Mini promise rehook. Stay tuned as we summarize the key points and provide some final thoughts on why I highly recommend the Wahl Home Pro 100 for anyone looking to achieve salon-quality hairstyles at home. In conclusion, the Wahl Home Pro 100 has been a revelation for many users. Its advanced features, convenience, and affordability make it an excellent choice for those who want professional-looking results without the hassle or cost of going to a salon. Call to action: Rehook. For the best price on this amazing product, click the link in the description below /N.